Son, hello. Hanggang ano na ako guys. Ano oras pa ako mag-live? I think hanggang 10 or 9:30. Ay, pas... Ano to? What's that? Anong basa dyan? Patrick? Si Patrick na siya.
They even gathered together to hear Harry sing some of his own music.
Hi, Toto. Gusto kong tumira sa ibang bansa. After 1 month, nasa 500 na. Anong 500? Hi, DNA. Hi, Mike. Hello. Hi, buds. Follow me. Follow me, guys.
Well, I'm 3 months pregnant. I've got a 3-year-old at home and a husband.
I've been respectful enough to let the pregnant mother and an older couple sleep with Keith. But with them now gone, the team and the manager's office decided that courtesy was kept over.
Puta. Nakakapot. Pag pinatay ko yung email,
It's
kailangan.
3 o'clock in the morning, boys and girls.
Dito pa rin naman ako, ah.
Harry's not
Dito pa rin ang ngipin ko.
but this is what we wanted to do for a week now.
Pag nabuhay na lang. Hi, Afin. 10 a.m. sa akin. Depende orange. Nadindustry. Nadimonyo. Nadimonyo, guys.
I can guarantee you're gonna have a
Hi,
hard time
Balbacon.
sleeping every night for the rest of this week.
We are not leaving, so now is your chance to leave. You are wasting time if you're sitting in this grocery store right now. I'm unemployed.
Almonds. Anong almonds?
The incessant noise was driving everyone insane.
I don't think it's a rough at all. I don't really want to play security with anybody. I'm tired of playing.
There was enough to send Tino right over the edge.
Gusto ko sumali sa video ni Mr. Beast. Tapos manalo ko ng $500,000. Grabe. Life-changing. Bakit kasi wala silang Philippine game?
Tino's elimination sparked a unity between the Freezy and the Dream Team, the ultimate boys club. The Freezy Boys / Dream Team are now thin, which to me looked like an unstoppable force.
I will be coming out here in front of the game. I like the way I'm not leaving here just to be here, but that
Wish me luck and Mike Sanders. Cha-charge ko muna ng pen. Manonood ako ng video mamaya after this live.
And come nightfall, the noise
I'm
makers
gonna charge this pen.
it's about the terribility.
Anyway, sira na yung pen ko. Butas na siya. Pero nagano to. Pag binuhay mo siya, ganyan siya. O, di ba? Buhay na. Ito, buhay na yun.
million people out of this story.
Kita na yung loob, diba? So, ayun, string na nga yan. Spring na pala. Mahal kasi ng Apple Pencil. Magkano yung Apple Pencil? 10K. O, pares lang naman. Ito naman ito, 1K lang. Sa Shopee. Binili ko sa Shopee. Teka, check ko lang ito.
No. Too much noise. Okay.
Oh, let's go.